right, guys, we got 2019, 2020 Hoops Premium 5-box blaster break number 1. Thanks, everybody. Appreciate it. Here we go. We got ATL going to the Vin. Boston going to Brad. Nets going to Ray Sports Cards. Charlotte going to Dennis D. Bulls, Drew S. Cavs, Therm. Mavs, Spears, Lieutenant. Nuggets, Lions, Pistons, Vic J. We got GSW, Marky P representing the UK. Rockets, Lions, Pacers, Beef. Clips, J-Tac. Lake Show, going to Kenny. Grizz, going to Johnny G. Miami, going to Joey D. Bucks, going to Patrick. Patty T. And we got T-Wolves, the Terminator. Pelicans, Goldie. Knicks, Goldie. Thunder, Paulie. Magic, Vic J. Sixers, J-Tech. Suns going to Lions. Blazers, PTB going to Vic J. Sacktown, Vic J. Spurs going to Una. Raptors going to Stamir. Utah going to Craig P. And the Wiz going to the Haas. Break 1. All right, good luck, everybody. Gila Monster. Giannis transfer now. On Patrick. Oh, you didn't transfer, so that's self-prophesied. All right. New people are like, whoa, what is that? What's this guy talking about, dude? I'm sure all breakers say that. Self-prophesied and all that. That's just a natural response that every breaker would say. I mean, duh. Good luck. I'm excited to see this stuff. I mean, I have that LeBron, that graded one. But it's kind of hard to see the... Oh, yeah, okay. It's just like Topps Chrome. So, yeah, it does... This is nice. Just like Chromium. Same feel, everything. I like it. Nice. Ja Morant rookie. Here we go. Already getting started for the Grizz. Ja Morant rookie. Going to the Grizz, baby. Let's do this. Oh, are you serious? Oh, you paid the big bucks to get that done. Oh, it's a PSA 9. Ah. Nicholas Claxton. Man, too bad that wasn't a 10, but hey, still not too shabby. I forgot about that beauty, Papa Bear. Thanks for giving me a heads up. Nicholas Claxton red. Not numbered. That is going out to Brooklyn Nets. We got a rookie, and that is of Goga Bitadze, or how do we say that? Bitadze? I don't know. Never mind, I'm done trying. Going to the Pacers, Beef. Oh, I like this. Guy looks like Mojo from Topps. Bismack, Wismack, Biombo. And Bizwack is with the Hornets. Not a rookie. His ancestors are the first ones to create a certain type of chapstick from hives. Had multiple hives. Obviously, they created a very substance, petroleum type substance, waxy type substance for the lips. We got Darius Garland Rookie for Cleveland Cavs. Backstage pass, we got Clippers. Kawhi Leonard. Boy, these cards are nice. Okay, so I had a few like print lines. I gotcha. Really, I didn't know that. We got a rookie, Cam Reddish, going for Atlanta. Boy, these are super nice. I had no idea. Like I said, I have that LeBron, but it's hard to kind of tell how nice it is. Anthony Davis refractor. Silver, I guess you would say in Panini language. Or Fanatics. I mean Panini. We got a rookie, Jalen Noel. That is with T-Wolves. And we got Devin Booker, baby. Refractor for the Suns. Little DB action. Silver Priz. Yeah, I know what you're talking about. Yeah. And that's from like the machine, right? We got a Mojo Karl Malone. I don't know. I call it Mojo because it looks like the Mojo from Topps. Good enough. You guys know what I mean. Dude, it is still fetch a pretty penny, though, Papa Bear. We got Cody Martin. Hornets rookie. Good old Cody. Zero Gravity. Joel Embiid for the Sixers. One of the very few people that are able to float around. It's pretty cool. Lillard. And we got an NBA Hoops this time. Karl Malone. The regular version. And we got Chris Middleton for the Bucks. Refractor. Silver Prism, I mean. Nice Middleton. Boy, this guy, I had no idea about this Chris Middleton guy. Something else, man. They never would have won the championship without that guy, that's for sure. There's a Middleton Izzo sitting on the Tizzo. All right, Patrick, here we go. Good luck, guys. Kyrie. And we got Damian Lillard, PTB. Yeah, this is one of my favorites. I love these. Look at that. That looks like PMG, guys. Jalen LeCue. PMG. The hockey guys. Oh, no, they had PMGs for other sports back in the day. And that is Jalen LeCue, rookie for the Suns. Rookie, Nasir Little for PTB, the Blazers. And Nickeil Alexander-Walker, Mojo. That is going out to the Pelicans. Nice card. We got a rookie of Dean Wade. Oh, wow. Dwayne Wade's cousin. Huh. I didn't know that. For the Cleveland Cavs. D. Wade, I didn't know he had a brother. Goga Batazzi, we got next. He's like, shh. We're going to kill it. Rookie, NBA Hoops. Sakua Dumboya. Pistons. Is this guy any good? Pascal Siakam for, is that Raptors? Toronto Raptors. And we got Talon Horton Tucker for the Lake Show. And Evan Fournier for Orlando Magic. Oh, we got something numbered here. And we got Shaq. Don't fake the funk on the nasty dunk. Shaq Attack. For the Lake Show. And we got a blue. Josh Richardson. For the 76ers. Nice blue. These are sick. I just love these cards. Number to 99. Bismack. The one that created the beeswax. Kobe White. Rookie for Chicago. Nice Kobe. And we got NBA City. LeBron James. LeBron James. LeBron Jamesters. Taco Fall. Boston. Bojan Bogdanovic for the Utah Jazz Silver Prez. All right, I need to get some of these out of the way, guys. There we go. There we go. Giannis card transfer, says Tizzo. He still prophesied it, but he still claimed a card, so we had to transfer it as well. Nico Melli, rookie, Pelicans. Karl Anthony Towns, silver refractor. Timberwolves. Little T-Wolf action. We got Dwayne Dedman, Atlanta Hawks. And Mr. Devin Booker, Mojo. We got the Mojo Rising for the Booker. Sick looking card. Sun's not doing too shabby. Ignas Brazdeikis, New York Knicks. NBA City, Blake Griffin. Nice little Blake Griffin. Katavius Caldwell Pope. This is not a rookie or anything. And a rookie silver refractor, that's why. Nice hit. Darius Garland, silver prism. What a hit. Darius Garland. Nice. For ATL. Believe that. We got a rookie for the Wiz. Rui Hachimura in the Olympics for Japan. And we got a nice red Bam Adebayo for Miami. Welcome to Miami. Eric Paschal, Golden State Warriors. Mojo Dwayne Dedman for Atlanta. Little Kawhi Leonard. Mfindu Kabengele, Clippers, rookie. We got next, refractor, Nasir Little. He's a rookie as well, right? Is that why he says we got next? Or is he on the court waiting? We got next. We got Andre Robertson, refractor for the Thunder. No Zion yet. Oh, it is called Mojo. Wow. I thought that was only tops. Sick. We need an auto. Thank you, Lions. We got Justin James, rookie, Sacktown. Terrence Ross, silver prism, Orlando. LeBron. Here he is, Zion Bobayan. Zion Williamson, rookie. There we go, baby. Put in a softie. Other side. Little Zion action. Zion Bobayan. And we got Anthony Simmons, Mojo. Going out to the Blazers. Lebronski. Make sure I put Lebronski in there. Harrison Barnes. Oh, it's just a base. I thought it was... A lot of rookies are there. NBA City, Blake Griffin. For Pistons. Tremont Waters. Rookie for BOS. Silver Refractor Prism Derek Jones Jr. That is for Miami Heat. Durant. And we got a red rookie, Talon Horton Tucker. Talon, man. Jalen Noel, T-Wolves. And Otto Porter Jr. Mojo rookie going out to the Bulls. Chris Paul. I don't know what they call these ones that are different. I don't know if it's called a variation or... DeAndre Hunter we got next. Yo, we got next. Man, we've been sitting here all day, man. We were here hours ago. I didn't see you over there. Yeah, we went to the store for a few minutes, man. Well, unfortunately, you lost your place. We got Brian Forbes. Created a very nice magazine, his father. And we got Silver Refractor Lauri Markkanen for the Bulls. Last Hoops Premium. Good luck, everybody. Melo. Where's Melo now? Lakers? Rookie RJ Barrett. Nice. Good job, Knicks. Nothing wrong with some RJ. Mo Bamba. Orlando Magic. Silver Prism. And we got a rookie, Luka Samanic. Spurs. And a rookie mojo, Nico Melli. Pelicans. We need an auto. Durant, Randall, and another Zion. Second Zion of the break. There we go. Pelicans. Zero gravity Giannis. We got a Giannis zero gravity. Tizzo. Sitting on the Tizzo. Tiz. We got another Zion. Third Zion rookie of the break. What is going on over here? And we got Jabari Parker for Sacktown. Silver Priz. Who's got the Pelicans? Goldie. Goldie getting crazy on us. Nikhil Alexander Walker, Pelicans, Goldie. And we got Mikal Bridges for the Suns, silver. We got a rookie for Miami, Kendrick Nunn. Silver Prism, Tristan Thompson, Cleveland Cavs. Rui Hachimura rookie for the Wiz. And then, oh, I thought it was Zion again. I was like, what? Nikhil Alexander Walker. Kind of looked like it when I was doing that. I was like, no way, man. It's crazy. Goldie getting gold. And we got Chris Paul again. CP3. And CP is the Thunder in this one. And Wesley Matthews. Oh, no way. I did not know Austin's cousin would play for this Bucks. I had no idea. Thank you guys. Sorry for those. Maybe didn't have the greatest break. Hopefully, I can smash it for you and something coming up. And be like, yo.